Welcome to the TSC Library's online tutorials. For this lesson, we are going to learn about the Gale Power Search database, what type of content it holds, where you can find it, as well as some suggested search strategies. We will demo some research topics to help you learn how to find resources more effectively. Gale Power Search is a multidisciplinary database. That means it's one of our general databases, and it's good to search for a wide variety of topics in multiple different disciplines. Let's do a demonstrated search with the topic Campus Carry on College Campuses. To fully utilize the database, you need to identify your major keywords for your topic. Some of the major keywords in our topic are campus carry and college. Putting quotations around campus carry will make our search a phrase. That way, the words are not separated in the search and are sandwiched together. We will add the keyword college, and we may want to add the keyword university, since we are not interested in just community colleges and want to include results on universities too. To notate this in the database, we can type or university. From the results page, you see that Gale Power Search shows results for all content types, and then lets the user select which results they want to use. This search has results for journals, news, and magazines, but Gale Power Search also has a book field depending on the topic. The magazines, news, and book fields are likely to give you the most opinionated pieces. If your assignment requires multiple viewpoints, or pro-con views, the books field in this case draws from viewpoint essays and encyclopedic entries, and topic overviews on your topic. To narrow your results, you can even search within your results. Perhaps I'm interested in the professor's viewpoint, and so I will include professor as one of my keywords. This will show us only articles that mention the word professor. Don't forget to navigate to some of the other fields. Some additional facets to filter with is the subjects filter. Dropping down subjects shows you how the articles are organized. I see here that college faculty may be another term that I can try other than professor. Or maybe I'm interested in concealed weapons, school safety, or a specific state. The database will show you how many articles you will narrow down to if you select that specific subject. Another neat tool in the Gale Power Search database is the Topic Finder. Here you can see how the database organizes its subjects given the search visually through topic titles. Selecting a title will generate articles under that topic. Finally, you can narrow your results also by publication date. Perhaps I want to make sure my results are capturing the most recent state gun laws or reform, so I may want to limit my results to the last 5 years. The date needed for your articles will depend on your topic. To read the article, select the title. Notice your keywords are in orange. This may help you do a quick scan of the keywords in your article. On the right side, you will see more articles like this one, and you can select View All Related Articles to see more results in your subject. Also take note of the related subjects that may sometimes help you come up with alternative keywords for your topic. At the top, you can cite this article. This is a machine-generated citation, so it needs to be reviewed and fixed. To go to APA, you can click on the APA one as well as for the Chicago style. To save the article, you can click Send To, then Email, and then type your email address in the box and scroll down and hit Send. Double check that the email arrived in your inbox. For more information on this database or the features included within, please contact a TSC librarian.